Being heavily involved in the sobriety recovery community, I see a lot of cool things. I see a lot of progress and people making breakthroughs in their recovery. And I also see the dark side, which is the relapse. That's always disheartening and frightening because today's day and age, a relapse could lead to death. Fuck fentanyl. At any rate, I was having a conversation earlier today with one of my really good friends. She had relapsed, and I kind of got the inkling that she did because her mood and her vibe had changed in the last week. Got to me reflecting on my recovery and sobriety. It's pretty simple. Keeping the attitude and the vibe and consistent with my habits and routine is how it works for me. So the early morning wake up, hitting the gym with my warm-ups, with my workout, changing the energy and vibe, keeping focused, my mindset focused on recovery and sobriety. Without that at the forefront of my brain every single day, I know what it's like to backslide and live that life. And man, I wish that on nobody. She had also mentioned that she can't control and her life seems in chaos, which is an easy fix. Your life is in chaos and out of control because you went back to using. So, in that regards, everything's gonna spiral out of control. Not that you had control of it in the first place. I find it easier when I stay in my lane and handle my own business, that I'm controlling the controllables, me, my attitude, my actions, and let everything else play out as it will. With that in mind, letting it play out as it will, when I'm handling my own business, staying in my lane with a positive mindset, keeping the habits and the routines, everything seems to fall in line and more than what I expected. So, man, it's a simple answer, hard to do, and of course, my thoughts and feelings go out to her, and at the end of it, we had a very, very awesome conversation. Love you guys. Reach out if you're ever in that situation, because it's better to reach out than to isolate and fall back. Make it a great day.